What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how easily you can code your own Ducky script for your USB rubber ducky or bad USB. So in this video I will try to make you understand exactly how to code for Ducky script. So without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, now let me explain you what is bad USB coding. Bad USB coding is like a human what he can do using the keyboard with their computer. If I give an example, let's say you want to open up a notepad on your computer using the keyboard only. So what you gonna do? You gonna press on your keyboard Windows plus R key, then you will type here notepad, then press enter. And like this you can open up a notepad on your computer, right? And using the bad USB scripting we are gonna do same thing but very fast. And this is the things a bad USB or Ducky script exactly do. Okay, now let me show you the basic scripting of Ducky script. And let's see how we can automate the thing what have we done using the Ducky script language. So at first what we did, on our keyboard we press Windows plus R key, right? So using the Ducky script, if you want to simulate this thing, you have to type here GUI, then give an space and press R. Now this line can replicate your Windows plus R key pressing on your keyboard. And now what you need to do, you need to type here notepad like this, right? So for this you can do here, you need to type string, then type here notepad. So now let me simulating what we did here. We just press on keyboard Windows plus R key for this GUI and R, and for this string we type here notepad. And now to open the notepad, what you need to do on your keyboard, you need to press enter, right? So in Ducky script you need to type here ENTER, enter. So if I press enter now, it will open up another notepad. And exactly same thing this Ducky script gonna do for you, but in very faster speed. Now let's talk about the speed. To control the Ducky script speed, there is a command or say syntax which called delay. So let's say you want to open up the run, then want to wait for 5 milliseconds. So what you gonna do, you gonna write here delay, then into type here the time in millisecond. Let's say I'm gonna stop for 5 milliseconds. So I'm gonna type here 500. So like this you can control your Ducky script executing speed. So let's add more delay like this. Okay, so now what this script gonna do, let me explain again. It's gonna open up the Windows R, then it will wait for 5 milliseconds, and then it will type notepad, then it will wait 5 milliseconds, then it will press enter, and again it will wait for 5 milliseconds. And like this you can easily write a code for your bad USB. I hope you understand that if you have a computer and you have a keyboard, what else you can do with your keyboard? You can open a browser, download any file from internet, sending any text message, sending email, everything you can do with your keyboard. And what you can do with your keyboard, you can do with this Ducky script coding language. There are many more easy and simple syntax to write this Ducky code. I'll put down some resources and link to this video description, and from there you can get all of the syntax, and also you'll get some description about all of this syntax so that you can easily learn the Ducky script syntax and write your own code. So basically this is how you can easily create a Ducky script or Ducky program using this Ducky coding language. Let me show you another example. Let's say you want to open a command prompt and ping the google.com. So what you gonna do on keyboard, you're gonna press Windows plus R key, then here you will type cmd, then press enter, then what you gonna type here, ping, then you're gonna type here google.com, then press enter, and it will gonna ping the google.com, right? Now let me show you how you can write all of this into the Ducky script coding language. So again, to open up run, we are gonna type here GUIR. Then we are gonna give a delay for 5 milliseconds. Then we are gonna type a string. So I'll type here string, and the string is CMD because we are gonna open the CMD. Then what you're gonna do, you need to press enter. Also, if you want, you can add another delay here. Then type here enter to press enter. So now my command prompt is open. Now add another delay for 5 milliseconds. You don't have to exactly use this 5 milliseconds. You can do whatever you want. You can add your own time for the execution. Okay, now our CMD is open. And now we are going to type here ping google.com. So what we will use, we will type here string, then type ping google.com. Then we are gonna delay for 5 milliseconds and we are gonna press the enter on our keyboard. So type here enter. So this is gonna replicate the pinging on Google using the command prompt with the bad USB. So guys, I hope you understand how you can code the Ducky script or the bad USB using the Ducky coding language. In our next video, we are gonna see that how we can convert all of this code into Arduino code. Because we know that Arduino coding language is little bit complicated. So we are not going to learn the Arduino programming language. We are just simply write the Ducky script code using this Ducky language and convert it into Arduino language. In our next video, we will see how to do that. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching.